Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft account, access Outlook and OneDrive step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or phone. Type account, Microsoft.com in the address bar and press enter. Click the sign in button on the page. Enter your Microsoft email address, phone number, or Skype name. Click next to continue. If you do not have an account, select Create One and follow the on-screen instructions. On the password screen, type your Microsoft account password. Click Sign in to access your account. If you see the option to stay signed in, choose Yes only on a private device you trust. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and complete the recovery steps. If two-step verification is enabled, check your phone or email for the security code. Enter the verification code exactly as shown and confirm. After signing in, look for the Microsoft 365 app launcher icon or services menu. To open Outlook, go to Outlook.com in a new tab. Make sure you are signed in with the same Microsoft account at the top right. If prompted, confirm your account and allow any requested permissions. You will now see your Outlook inbox where you can read and send emails. To open OneDrive, go to OneDrive, Live.com in a new tab. Confirm you are signed in with the correct account name and profile icon. You will now see your OneDrive files and folders in the main screen. Click Upload to add files or folders from your device to OneDrive. Click New to create a folder or an Office document online. To switch accounts, click your profile icon and choose Sign Out or Switch Account. If you are on a shared computer, always sign out after finishing. To sign out, click your profile icon in Outlook or OneDrive and select Sign Out. Close the browser tab if you want to fully end the session on that device. If you have login issues, check your internet connection and try again. For extra security, consider updating your password and enabling two-step verification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.